A lot of clients are interested in taking SOLIDWORKS certifications, but what clients may not know is that while on subscription, you are entitled to 3 free exam certifications per semester. And what SOLIDWORKS calls a semester is the first 6 months of the year and the last 6 months of the year. In order to access these software certifications, users just need to go to 3dexperience.virtualtester.com. Here we can see what I was explaining a moment ago with the 3 free exams and when these are eligible to be used. In order to take these exams, users will need to have a 3D Experience login ID and a 3D Experience Virtual Tester ID. From this website here, users can download the testing application, Tangix, so that way they can take whatever application tests they need. In order to get the vouchers for these tests, users do need to log in and actually get the vouchers from their 3D Experience Virtual Tester page. To do this, we'll go to Login, and once logged in, users will go to your credits, select subscription offer, and look up my licenses. This prompts users to log into their 3D Experience login. And being that I am part of the TriMech reseller group, we don't have these licenses available to us here, but for users that are on subscription, you should be able to select which exam you would like the certification for and have those exams generated. Once you have that code generated, you can just open the tester that we were referring to a moment ago, which is called the Tangix tester. And from this Tangix tester page, you would just log in. Select what product you would like to take an exam for, and then select which exam it is you want to take. Select the language and start exam. You get a warning that the exam is getting ready to start. And then it downloads the questions and gives you the exam terms and agreements. You get a little notification that the exam has however many questions, how much time there is, and what the minimum score is to pass before you're able to start the examination. So get out there and start taking some SOLIDWORKS exams, especially if you have some free certifications provided by your reseller. Good luck.